If you don't have a system for leads, you don't have a real business. Most contractors get leads like this: word of mouth, random calls, referrals sometimes, but nothing consistent. So what happens? Some weeks are busy, some weeks are slow, and you can't predict anything. That's not a marketing problem. That's a system problem. Leads shouldn't be random. They should be predictable. If you consistently ask for reviews, follow up, show up online, you create a steady flow of leads. So I built a simple lead generation system that shows you where your leads should come from, what to focus on, and what to do every week. It's in the description. Run it. Build your lead system and stop relying on luck. Comment leads if you want more systems like this.